Bonjour, bienvenue, I learned French by Pooja. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are guys doing good. So today's video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to study accent. And I promise that after watching this video you are never going to forget accent. So before starting the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also so that you can get all the notifications of my video. So let's start the video without taking time. Let's start the learn accent. The accent, la, exo, lexo. We call it lexo. So first of all, what is the accent? Accent is basically a symbol which is we use top of the vowels. Okay. So let's see the first accent, accent ego. We call it acute accent also, and it has a symbol like this, and it gives sound of a, sound of a, and it is comes only with e. Okay, it comes top of the e. We use it with the vowel of e only. Okay, it is acute accent. For example, be, 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 be. If we write it without accent, so it will sound like bebe, bebe. But it is not bebe, it's be, be. With the accent, it gives sound of a. So it will be be, be. Let's see the next. Cafe. Cafe means tea, cafe. Okay. Now see the next accent, accent grave. The accent grave. And this accent has the symbol like this. Okay. And it will be found on the top of letter E, A, U. And the sound will come A. The sound will come A. And keep remember that sound will change only with the letter E, not with the letter A or U. Okay. Now you are thinking that if the sounds not change with the letter A or U, then why we use with the letter A or U? Well, it is very important. When this accent comes with the letter A or U, it don't change the sound but it change the meaning. Let's see the example. La. La. We write two times la. One is with the accent and one is without accent. The sound is coming same. La, but the meaning is changed. La without accent, la means the, and with accent mean is there. Okay, so this is the difference. Now see the example of letter U. Write u, u. We write two times u. One is with accent and one is without accent. The sound is coming same, u, but the meaning is changed. Without accent, the u means or, but with accent, the u means where. Okay, so this is the difference. Now see the example of letter E. When this accent will come with the letter E, it will change the sound. Okay, for example, pair, pair. Man, man. Okay, the sound is getting changed. So this is our grave accent. Now come to the next accent, l'accent circumflex. Okay, we call it l'accent chapeau also, just because of in French chapeau means hat and this has a symbol like this. So that is why we call it chapeau accent also. And it is found on the top of every vowel. We can find it on the top of every vowel, and keep remember that it do not change the sound. Now you are thinking that if it don't change the sound, then why we use it? Well, we use it don't change the sound, but we use it to remove S. For example, forehead. Basically it is forest. For removing the S, we use the circumflex accent and it is forehead. Okay. Next example, hospital. Hospital. Basically it is hospital, but for removing the S, we use it the circumflex accent and it is hospital. Okay. So this is our circumflex accent. If you have confusion between these three accent, ego accent, grave accent and the circumflex accent, so I have a solution. Use your hand for remember these accent. Okay. Use your left hand use your left hand. This is the symbol of egu accent. Okay, like this. This is the symbol of egu accent. Use your right hand. Use your right hand. This is the symbol of grave accent. Okay, like this. This is the symbol of grave accent. And the both hands come together. When the both hands come together, so it is the symbol of circumflex accent. Okay, it is the symbol of the circumflex accent. Now come to the next accent, liaxothrema. Liaxothrema. And it has a symbol like this, double dot. Okay, and it is found on the top of vowel E, I, U only. Okay, and when we will use it when two vowels come together and both need to be pronounced. Okay, then we will use this. For example, Noel. 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 Noel means Christmas. Okay, both letter O and E, both letter needs to be pronounced. So here we will use the accent threma. Now come to the next accent, liaxosedie. Liaxosedie. We use this accent only with the letter C. And why we use it? We use it for the sound of S. Because when the letter A, O, U comes with the letter C, it gives the sound of K. But somewhere we need the sound of Sir. So that's why we use this accent with the letter C, so that it gives the sound of Sir. For example, garçon. Garçon means a boy. Okay, means a. Without accent, it will sound like garçon. Garçon. It is not right now. So we will use this accent and it will give the sound of se. Next example, leçon. Leçon. Like next, français. Français. So this is our sedie accent. So these are our French accent. I hope you understand all the accent well. If you have any type of question related to this video, comment me in the comment section. And now we will meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, au revoir, bisous bisous.